You cannot scale your business by mopping the floors. You cannot scale your business by filling the shampoo bottles at the back bar. That's not going to help you scale your business. What's truly going to help you grow financially, and this is where you need to shift your mindset, is by letting go of these tasks so you can really focus on the things that will really create growth for you and your business. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I'm a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you love. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Welcome to this week's episode of the Elevate podcast. We're going to talk about how you can actually free up time being a salon owner. As salon owners, we wear all of the hats, and there is so much fear around hiring out tasks that most salon owners end up doing all the things in their business, especially the things that they should not be doing. So today, I'm going to talk about how to truly free up time or create time in your schedule so you can start feeling freedom inside of your business. Wondering how I keep my business systemized? It's all thanks to Kajabi. Kajabi is a versatile platform that allows me to keep everything in one place, like my website, courses, forms, email marketing, my podcast, and so much more. It's easily mine and my team's favorite software for salon owners. To try Kajabi for yourself for 30 days, visit the link in the show notes. One of the things I'm super passionate about when it comes to working with my students, when it comes to really helping their business grow, is to start shifting their mindset around creating freedom for themselves inside of their business. One of the things that I notice is a lot of salon owners like to wear all the hats and they like to do all of the things inside of their business, which creates essentially a prison for the salon owner. And it's usually because they need to reframe their mindset about the tasks and the things that they're doing inside of their business. Now, there are a couple reasons why salon owners hold on to doing all the things. And number one is finances. They are afraid to hire somebody because they are afraid that they can't afford it. And two, they have the mindset that nobody is going to do it as good as they will. And to be honest, that one is true. So we need to reframe the mindset around that, understand that no one is going to do it as good as you, and that's okay. So here are some things that you can do to start freeing up time for yourself as a salon owner and start really being intentional and impactful inside of your business to create the results that you want and to create more freedom for yourself. So number one, really track your time. What are you truly spending your time on? I recommend that you, for a whole week, literally log every single thing you do in your day. That's the tasks you do in your business, the tasks you're doing in your personal life, scrolling social media, watching Netflix. How much time in your day do you spend on the daily routine that is your daily routine? When we actually look at this on paper or look at this in our phone, you can log this in your Google Calendar as, little time slots. You will be so amazed on what you are actually wasting your time on that is bringing no value to you, your life, or your business. And when we have this visualization and actually see what we're spending our time on, it really does give us a visual opportunity to see where we need to make some shifts and changes in our behavior. Another thing that I really like to really have my salon owners do is write down all of the tasks you're doing in your business. Are you cleaning? Are you doing the ordering? Are you refilling the shampoo back bar? What are all the things that you're doing in your business? Make a list of every single task you do in your business. And I want you to look at which one of those tasks are minimum wage tasks. By minimum wage tasks, that means you can hire somebody for minimum wage to do those for you in your business. And when we look at that, when we look at what our value is per hour as a salon owner, how much money are you generating behind the chair? How much money are you bringing in by coaching your team? That's where you as the owner really add value and you can scale your business. You cannot scale your business by mopping the floors. You cannot scale your business by filling the shampoo bottles at the back bar. That's not going to help you scale your business. What's truly going to help you grow financially, and this is where you need to shift your mindset, is by letting go of these tasks so you can really focus on the things that will really create growth for you in your business. Your marketing, your training and developing, and you working behind the chair, which eventually most salon owners I recommend to pull away because that still is very limiting. But those areas are the areas that you can really create financial freedom for yourself, and you can really start to scale your business and grow your business. So once we create this list, then we need to learn how to delegate and let go. We need to understand that people are never going to look at our business the same way that we do. We have to understand and accept. Understand and accept that people are not going to look at your business the same. Delegate tasks out, correct and redirect. So if somebody isn't doing something the proper way, correct and redirect. I need to do it this way, or you need to redirect it in the way that you want it done. Once we learn to let go and we learn not to micromanage, this is going to free up time, mental space. It's going to bring more freedom to us in our business or to you in your business. So delegating these tasks out, take a risk, hire somebody if you do not have anyone to take on the tasks, and really give somebody the opportunity and a job that they will love and the opportunity to grow themselves. Another thing that we need to do as salon owners is give our team more responsibility. Let our team rebook. Let our team contact their clients. Let our team really take full responsibility for their business, because most of the time that's what they want anyway. So if you find yourself really doing a ton of things for your business, that is another place that you need to let go and let be. Give them the responsibility to clean up their own stations. Give them the responsibility to raise their prices. Give them the responsibility to handle clients that are unhappy. When we do this, we create, again, freedom for ourselves. Now, if you do not trust your team to do so, then that is a do I have the right team conversation. Because when we have the right team, then we don't have problems letting go of the responsibilities that we probably shouldn't be doing for them anyway. So really giving our team responsibility and really giving them the opportunity to really take control of their business is not only freeing for you as an owner, but it's also freeing and an opportunity for your stylist to grow inside of your business. And then last but not least, automate as much as you can. Automate your personal email. What I recommend is having a auto response go out every time somebody sends an email to you. It has all the information that they need, who they need to contact if they need a redo, how long is it going to take you to get back to them, what is the process for your business, how to book an appointment. So that email automatically goes out when somebody sends you an email. That gives you time and the mental space to understand that that person got an instant response. Then automating your social media. Use Later, use Meta Business. Setting up our social media to automatically happen allows us to do our social media and create social media with intention and impact. And it's not last minute. And then automating your marketing. How can you automate your marketing emails? How can you automate your client responses? Can you automate your response in your social media? Automating as many things as you can is going to be a game changer for you as a business owner. Helping salon owners gain freedom is something that I am so passionate about.
I am so excited to announce that we just opened our brand new program, the Elevated Salon Owner Collective, to beta testers. If you want to build a salon that makes you feel fulfilled, passionate, while bringing you freedom and flexibility to your life, the collective is for you. This is the best time to join because we have some special bonuses, and when you join as a beta tester, you get to join the collective for $300 off. We're only allowing 20 motivated salon owners to join. So visit opulentbeautypro.com/join the collective to join the waitlist to have your best year yet.
So automation is going to be something that is so powerful. And then, of course, really making sure that you are holding your team accountable and really making sure that everyone is upholding the standards and the policies in your business. Accountability creates freedom. When you hold your team accountable, people know what the standards are and they know that you mean business, and if they want to work for you, they're going to take action to stay in your business. So accountability is a very powerful tool, and it is a must if you are a salon owner. Thank you so much for listening to this week's Elevate podcast. I hope that you go into this year with intention and you go into this year with really planning out your year so you can create freedom and so you can really be intentional and impactful with how you change lives inside of your business. Thanks for listening.